Hello friends, welcome to this channel and I hope that you all are doing well. Great. Today we are going to learn some most useful shortcut keys used in Excel. Okay. So without wasting further time, let's start the session. Okay. You know that what is the function key. Okay. I hope that you all know that what is the function key. Function key is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, Fn, F11, F12. Right? In short, we can define the function key from F1 to F10. Okay? Do you know all that what is the use of that shortcut key in MS Excel? If you know, then it's very good. If not, then please watch this video. Okay, let me define all of us F1. Okay, what is the main use of F1 as a shortcut key? Okay, so please listen carefully. If you press F1 alone, if you press F1 alone, then what will happen? Yeah, let me say, if you press F1, then system will open the help page for you. Okay, let's try. I am just pressing F1. You can see that system opens me a dialog box which name is help. Here I can get help in many subject. The subject are mentioned here from for which uh, matter I want the help. Okay, for formula, for import, for format, for troubleshooting, blah blah blah. Got it? So let me define. If you press F1 alone, then what happen? Then system help dialog box will open. Okay, okay. If you press control and F1 accordingly, if you press control and F1 accordingly, then what will happen? Okay, the system will hide the ribbon from your current screen. Do you know what's called ribbon? You please see at my screen. This area is called ribbon, where you can find the word fonts, word size, formatting, colors, wrap text, merge center. Okay, and all this, whatever you are looking at my screen. Okay, this function will be hidden after pressing Ctrl plus F1. Let me show. Control plus F1. You can see the ribbon has been hidden. Got it? Okay. And again, if you pay, sorry, again if you will press Control plus Fn, then the ribbon will be come back. Got it? Okay. Great. To hide the ribbon. Okay. Great. Next, uh, if you press Alter plus F1 accordingly, then what will happen? Okay guys, if you press Alter plus F1, then what will happen? Then if you press Alter plus F1, then system creates the embed chart for the selected range. Okay, what is the meaning of embed chart? Let me explain. If I select this data, okay, from my current worksheet, if I select this data from my current worksheet and I will press Alt plus F1, you can see that system has produced me a chart of this selected range data. Got it? Great. If I will press again Alter plus F1, then this will be high. Okay? Okay. of selected data. Got it? Great. Okay, the next shortcut key is Alt plus Shift plus F1. Okay, what will happen when you will press Alt and Shift and F1 together? Then it will insert a new worksheet. Got it? If you want to insert a new worksheet in your current file, then you need to press Alt, Shift and F1 togetherly. Okay, let me press Alt, Shift and F1. Here you can see a sheet which name is sheet 2 is entered. Okay, great. And next useful shortcut key is Control Shift plus F1. Okay, if you press Control Shift and F1 together, then what will happen? Then toggles full the screen mode. Okay, full screen mode. Basically, you can see the data in full screen mode. Let me show. Control Shift F1. Here you can see that system shown as the full screen mode. Got it? Great. Okay. If you like my videos, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then the please like, comment and share also on my videos. I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Till the time, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.